Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glass House Maya. You know nobody flyer. If you hear humming in the background, it's my air conditioner. It's hot and I'm not turning it off. So it is what it is. On this channel I talk about anything from fashion, I do vlogs, and eventually I will come with artwork and other things that I love to do. So if that's something you're interested in watching, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification, comment down below what you would like to see, and then, give me that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. It helps out the channel. It helps out the algorithm, all right? And it just helps your girl out. It helps me grow. It helps me get to the 1,000 subscribers that I'm trying to reach. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm not going to be doing fashion and outfits because I realized that I have not showed you all what I actually do and what I actually sell. So I do have an Etsy shop, and the link to that Etsy shop is in the description of every episode. And what I sell on my Etsy shop is products to help improve your quality of life, okay? So I'm going to show you here what I actually sell in my Etsy shop. So that's what this video is going to be about, the products I have and how they can help you and help improve your overall quality of life, okay? So one of my favorite and first and most popular items is this Unlock the Magic Oracle Cards deck. And what it is a 44 card deck. I'm going to open this one because it's already open. So it's like affirmations, okay, for you to use. It's like an affirmation deck, okay, to kind of give you some positivity in your life, because we need positivity in our life every day. Every day we need something to help us get our day started, and that's what I created this deck to do. So each morning you can wake up, you can pull a card, okay? That's how the backs look. We are unlocking the magic here, okay? And you see that every day. Shuffle this deck and just ask, divine energy what you need for that day. And then whatever card comes out, you accept it, you read it, and that's what you need to do. So I will read some of these for you. Well, no, I won't. Okay, I will read one of them for you. So I'm just going to kind of shuffle this around, which I shouldn't be doing because this is kind of like a brand new deck, but I just use it for video purposes. So this one is Lotus Flower Power. Out of the worst conditions bloom the most beautiful things. You may have been dragged through the mud, but know that you will rise above it with more compassion, grace, and wisdom. So maybe you've been going through something and you feel like it's pulled you down. This is a reminder to let you know that you'll come out of it, all right? You'll come out of it smarter. You'll come out of it more compassionate. You'll be able to, be more accepting of why this thing needed to happen for you. So there's a lot of these affirmations, Zen, Blaine, it all ties in with things that are related to magic. And when I say magic, I mean the magic that you create and put out into this world using your imagination, okay? So it's your creativity. And so I created this for that purpose, to help you unlock your magic, okay? So with that, so this can be found in my Etsy shop, Unlock the Magic Oracle cards. You can use them with other cards if you like. So with that, along with that, it comes with a guidebook. First of all, this is not the guidebook, okay? It comes with a guidebook. The guidebook is digital. So I send you a code, a QR code. You scan it. You download the guidebook on your phone. I did it that way because most people always have their phone on them. So I felt like that was an easier way to have it digital. And you can always go to the guidebook, and there's a more extended version of what's written on that card to help you go through your day more aware, more present, and more in the moment, okay? Now what we have here is another thing that I sell in my Etsy shop. It is Unlock the Magic Journal. So what you can do, if you're new to this, I think it's important that you journal on a regular basis, all right, to just get your thoughts and feelings out. So what you can do is pull a card, and this is like a daily spread, or you can do a full spread or a one card spread. You ask your question, you pull a card, and then you write down how this card makes you feel, okay? And you just kind of answer the question, how the card makes you feel. How can this card guide you today? Like, what are your thoughts and how you can move forward positively? And then what can you do to make a change right now? What can you do to change the way you feel, the way you do things, you know? So that's this journal. And each day you can pull a different card, and whatever comes out, you can write. So it helps you get your ideas out. It helps you get your thoughts out. It helps you, like I said, just be more creative. That's what I created this for. All right. And so that you can go back and look at the things that you've accomplished in the future with learning and using this card deck and using this journal to help you unlock the magic. Okay. So that's the other thing. The other deck that I created is this Language of Love Oracle Cards deck. Now, this is for my people who are, you know, in relationships. And, you know, this is a relationship deck right here, okay? And this one is a popular item, too, as well in my Etsy shop. I get a lot of sales on this, all right? That's the back. This is the front. They're square. They're red and black. I chose that because I feel like red and black is associated with love and things of that nature. But this Language of Love deck covers all areas of relationships, all of them. Because we know that relationships aren't always hunky-dory. Let me not say that. We know it's not always peaches and cream, okay? So there are things in here that covers every aspect of a relationship, okay? So this is for my people who actually use like tarot and other oracle cards. You can use this as well to kind of clarify and verify where you are or where your partner is in the relationship, maybe how they're feeling. You ask the divine, you ask your angels, you ask your guides to use this deck as a tool to give you the information that you need. And same thing with the other deck. You can use that. Ask your angels, ask your guides, ask God. Oh my God, I'm sweating under the arms. Didn't I tell y'all it was hot in here? Okay. Ask for what you need and you shall receive it. All right. And then I also sell candles. I don't have it here with me, but what I have is like this small candle, and it says it on the description in my Etsy shop. It's small but mighty. So what that candle is for you to manifest things. So when you light the candle, you speak your intentions into the candle. Each time you light it, you speak your intentions into it and allow that thing to manifest in your life, whether that's money or whatever it is that you're asking for. So I do have that. And then the other thing I want to show you are these crystal necklaces that I sell in my Etsy shop, and they come in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. This would be a larger one, and they come with different crystals, and each crystal has its own meaning. This is my necklace here. This is a larger one, and this crystal is citrine. It's good for positivity. It's also good for prosperity and abundance. And it comes on this rope necklace that has like a clasp. And you can read all of that in the description of the item. Unlock the Magic Shop on Etsy, okay? The link is in the description of this video. But I wear these crystals. As you can see, I got lapis lazuli on my neck right now. But I wear these crystals with the intentions of using them, and I do charge them before I mail them out. But with the intentions of using them to draw that type of energy that they put out to me, to attract that energy to me. So these crystals come on with the necklace, with the cage, with the crystal already in it. You get the full thing on my Etsy shop, okay? In my Etsy shop. And I also sell, what else do I sell? I sell t-shirts, positive t-shirts, okay? They're gonna have a positive message. Everything here is about positivity and creating a mindset that invokes positivity, okay? So all of the sayings on the shirts are gonna be something uplifting. But that's pretty much it, I think, for now. What I have in my Etsy shop. I also do readings, okay? You can find that in my Etsy shop as well. So with that being said, that's going to be the end of this video. All right, go get you a copy of Unlock the Magic Oracle cards, okay? With the intentions of improving your days and improving and changing your mindset and changing how you view things so that you can have more days of good and positive things coming back to you. Get you a journal. It doesn't have to be this journal, but get a journal. I feel like journaling is one of those things that we all should do because it helps you release what's in your mind. You get it out and you feel like a little relief from getting it out. Having some relationship questions, get this language of love deck. You don't have to be a reader, okay? This is more so about you connecting with God, infinite intelligence, divine energy, and asking for answers to what you need. Because you have to ask. But again, it's your girl Maya, you know nobody flyer. Consider subscribing to the channel. I'm trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Comment down below. I'm going to say that again. Comment down below what you want to see on this channel. If you're interested in any more videos like this and tapping into your mindset and all of that, I do have a podcast in the link of the description as well where I talk more about these types of things. I don't know if this is what you want on this channel. I know that I created this channel around fashion, but I also, this is who I am, you know? This is who I am. So I want to incorporate every aspect of myself here. So thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, share this video with a friend, and I will see you. I see you in the next one. Peace.